Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the real values of x that satisfy this equation. To solve this problem, we are going to start by simplifying this expression under the large square root sign. Now notice that under the small square root sign, we have x plus 3. And outside here, we have x plus 4. What we are going to do is that we will break 4 down into 3 plus 1. When we do that, we now have x plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 times the square root of x plus 3. And then we can multiply this by 1 because when you multiply any quantity by 1, that quantity remains unchanged. And of course, this is equal to x plus 8 over 3. Now, if we call the square root of x plus 3 a, then of course you know that x plus 3 is going to be a squared, because when you square the square root of x plus 3, you get x plus 3. Now, if we call 1 b, then this is going to be b squared, because 1 squared is equal to 1. Now, when you do this, you will see that under this large square root, what we have is a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. And of course, you know that a squared plus b squared plus 2ab is equal to the expansion for a plus b squared. So that means that we can write this large square root as the square root of x plus 3 plus 1, both squared. And of course, on the right hand side, we still have x plus 8 over 3. And of course, this square is going to take care of the large square root. And we have that the square root of x plus 3 plus 1 is equal to x plus 8 over 3. Now let us subtract 1 from both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have that the square root of x plus 3 is equal to x plus 8 over 3 minus 1. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. So this is equal to x plus 5 over 3. Now, of course, to get rid of this square root sign, what we are going to do is that we will square both sides of this equation. This is going to take care of that. On the left-hand side, we have x plus 3, and this is equal to x squared, of course, is x squared. 2 times 5 times x is 10x, and 5 squared is 25. And of course, this is divided by 3 squared, which is 9. And to get rid of this fraction on the right-hand side, we multiply through this equation by 9. 9 times x is 9x. 3 times 9 is 27. This times 9, of course, this will cancel, and we have x squared plus 10x plus 25. Now let us move these two terms over to the right-hand side. When we do that, we have 0 left on the left-hand side, and this is equal to x squared. 10x. When 9x moves over to the right, it becomes minus 9x. 10x minus 9x is equal to x. When 27 moves over to the right-hand side, it becomes minus 27. 25 minus 27 is equal to minus 2. So we have x squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Since the coefficient of x squared is 1, all we have to do is to find the factors of minus 2 that add up to 1. and those are going to be 2 and minus 1, because 2 times minus 1 is going to give us minus 2, while 2 minus 1 is going to give us plus 1. So we can factorize the left-hand side of this quadratic equation as x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1, and of course this is equal to 0. From here we have that either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now when we subtract 2 from both sides of this equation, we have that x is equal to minus 2. And when we add 1 to both sides of this equation, we have that x is equal to 1. So the two values of x that satisfy this algebraic equation are minus 2 and 1. Now let us check our answers. When x is equal to minus 2, the original equation becomes the square root of minus 2 plus 4 plus 2 times the square root of minus 2 plus 3. Now, is this equal to minus 2 plus 8 over 3? Minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. Minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. The square root of 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And of course, the square root of 4 is equal to 2. So, this value of x works out. And when x is equal to 1, the original equation becomes 1 plus 4 plus 2 times the square root of 1 plus 3. Is this equal to 1 plus 8 over 3? 1 plus 4 is 5. So we have 5 plus 1 plus 3 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 5 plus 4 is 9. The square root of 9, of course, is equal to 3. So, x equal to 1 also checks out. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching and watch more videos here.